Hi guys! Ngayon, magli-lipstick po ako yung proper lipstick. So, magmo-model po kami. Ito po si GL.
Ang magandang bungi.
Ni-makeupan ko po siya. Hindi makeup. Lipstickin ko lang po at si Mary. Siya yung first video ko. So, first, itong chopstick. So,
Yan, ang ganda.
Moisturize your lips.
Malapit.
Ay, pagpalapit ko man. Yan.
Yan. Ang ganda.
Tapos yung gagamitin po naman yung second itong cupcake.
Okay.
Cupcake siya na flavor. Cupcake lipstick po siya.
Pink lagi ako.
Diba ang ganda ng feeling yung yung sa chopstick, diba? Ganda ng feeling, no?
Ano tawa-tawa mo?
Gusto niya talaga. Excited talaga siya. Ewan ko na. Tapos,
Gagamit tayo ng lip shiner.
lip eyes. Lip eyes ho. Lip
Sa lip. Yan, tatlo na ng beses ang ginagamit sa lipstick niya para umitim ang kanyang ngabel.
Yan. Ay, nako. So, si Mary Ann, tapos na ho siya. Alaro ka.
Tanan.
So, tapos na po siya. Magmo-model po kami to be continued. So, ngayon po, continue na po siya. Let us all welcome contestant number 1. Ta-dang! Ta-dang! Ta-wata! Ta-dang! That's our contestant number 1. Okay, goodbye number 1. I cannot do number 1. Contestant number 2. Wow! Ta-dang! Ta-dang! What our contestant number 1. Hello. So, tapos na po ang mga contest naman. So, ngayon po, happy birthday po sa lola ko. Birthday niya po ngayon. Promise. Birthday niya po ngayon. Ito ngayon, t-shirt ako. Tingnan niyo.
Atang.
Anong nangyari sa mata mo? Ito po, sponsored by our Mayor Sally Salvador. Thank you. Now is question and answer.
So, tipo ang pangalan, uy.
Okay, introducing.
My name is Joseph. G. Israel and I live in Bonaparte, Massachusetts. I am 6 years old. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, number 1. Now, contestant number 2. Jump.
Hello, madlang people. Ako nga po si Mary Ann J. Francisco. Nakatira sa Bulacan, Maladea, Cebu. I am 9 years old. Naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan, may daga, may alaga. Thank you.
Okay. To be continued to our question and answer.
Ang tapagani.
I'm sorry, tell.
Magamay ka, bagong pag-asa, tibok ng puso, bawat hininga, isa ng bituin, lamig ng hangin, sagot sa panalangin, di man natin, ang Pasko'y isay, bawat isay pagpapala, mula sa
Thank you, contestant number 2. Contestant number 2. Sorry, number 1 pa rin yung kanina.
Whenever I see girls and boys selling lantern on the street, I remember the child in the manger as he sleep. Whenever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, that believe that Christmas is truly in their heart. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow, where nations are at peace and all the one in God. Hi! Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts, and feel the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. And every paying, every song the community talks, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. Let love like the starlight on the first Christmas morn, that believe to the manger when Christ's child was born. So come, let us rejoice, come and sing a Christmas carol, where nations are at peace on all the one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season we never forget the love we have for Jesus. And be the one to guide us as another New Year starts, and feel the spirit of Christmas be always our heart.
Thank you, contestant. Okay, question and answer. Contestants. Contestant number 1, please move on. This is your question. Oh! Okay. If you win, okay lang Bisaya or Tagalog. Tagalog, much better. If you win this pageant, our practice pageant, what will you do of your prize?
Our prize is
Tagalog pwede.
our prize is
Bibigyan mo ba ng cake yung magulang mo?
oh,
Okay, thank you, contestant number 2. Contestant number 1. Let's proceed to contestant number 2. Let's move on. This is your question. Sa tingin mo, sino bang mananalo dito?
salamat po sa magandang questions. Ang sa tingin ko po ay contestant number 1. Sa tingin ko po ay mananalo dito ay contestant number 2. Kasi, tingnan niyo po, mas maganda pa ako. Pero, sa kabukiran, mas pangit ang mga damit ko. Thank you.
So, ang mananalo po, hindi pa po namin i-reveal. Practice pageant po ito. So, kung gusto nyo po, comment below na lang kung sino sa tingin nyo, contestant number 1 or contestant number 2. Let's find out. So, thank you for everyone.